Hey everyone, we've gotten a few questions recently about the new PDF functionality that we'll be releasing, so I just wanted to make a quick video and show you what's on the horizon, hopefully to be published in the very near future, in coming days hopefully. So this PDF feature is not the same as the other PDF. This is more specific for filling PDF forms. If you go into the automations, we have a new option called PDF forms, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick, very simple demo of how to do this. I'm going to select a new PDF, and let's say here I'm going to do an IRS form I-9, just a random PDF form. Let me select my PDF. 1 second. Okay, I'm going to save that PDF. And let me go ahead and refresh these records. I'm going to open the PDF, and once I have this open, I can select and add all the elements that I want to, which will dynamically update from within the app. So for example, here I'd want to put in an element for last name. I'm going to drag that over and I'll give it a name, and this is the name you're going to be used when you're actually populating the PDF. So I'll say last name, and let's just say first name. Okay, and you can just keep doing this with all the different elements that you want to add. So let me just go into this one again and call this one first name. Okay, and then you go ahead and save it, and the rest is done inside the action link. So here all you're doing is just building the PDF. Let me close it. Okay, so now if we go into the data builder, we don't have this broken up into names, so I'm just going to create a new field here called name. So we have first name and last name, and we'll use customer. So let me just put in a value here. We'll use David Ross, and we'll say David Ross. Okay, so to populate this PDF, you have to do this inside of an action link. So inside of here, of our customers table, I'm going to create a new action link. And inside the action link, I'm going to set it to populate a PDF. So fill a PDF form. I'll select the IRS form. And here I'm going to set the values. So we'll say the last name is going to be the record value of last name. And we'll set the first name to the record value of first name. And finally, this is an optional thing. We could set the PDF file name, and I'll just set it to, let's say, the record value of full name, or just name, customer. Okay, that's pretty much all we have to do. And if I update and save, just to make this a little clearer, I'm going to set this to generate PDF. And if we go ahead and preview this page now, we'll have a link here that looks kind of funny, but if I click on it for David Ross, it's going to go ahead and generate the PDF. And if I open it, you'll see it'll populate the PDF exactly however we wish.